Ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, abalị ọma. Nye onye ọbụla na-ege m ntị n'ụbọchị kita. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to my channel. During the last video, we treated counting of numbers from 1 to 10 and then from 11 to 20. And in that 20, we said that 20 is iriabo. So quickly today, we want to look at 30 to 100, and if possible, if time permits, we look at 100 to 1000. But due to you have a basic knowledge about what we call 1 to 10, 11 to 20, that means learning how to count 30 to 100 isn't going to take much of our time. We'll look at 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And if time permits, we'll continue to 1000. Okay, we said that 20 is iriabo, 20 iriabo, 30 iriato, 30 iriato, 40 iriano, 40 iriano. Let's hold on there. Remember that I told you that if I go back to our last video, you understand how you insert, how you are expected to insert, or you are expected to add the 1, 2, 3 that makes up 21, 22, 23. That's iriabo. So go back, refresh on our last video, you understand more. Okay, we said 20 iriabo, 20 iriabo, 30 iriato, 30 iriato, not irina, iriato. Irinato means 13, but iriato is 13. Now 40 iriano, 40 iriano, 50 ise, 50 ise, 60 ishi, 60 ishi, 70 asa, 70 asa, 80 asato, 80 asato, 90 itoolu, 90 itoolu. 100 is just naira, 100 naira, 100 naira, 100 otu naira. That is how you go till you get to 1000. 1000 is puku, otu puku, 1000. I hope you do find this video interesting. Do well to continue to like, subscribe, follow, share for more interesting